Roof or a sunroof. That's why I donated it. He said, huh? I said, blow the lid, make it a 469 to run them fucking carburetors.
469. You know stuff about mechanics.
For sure. That's why I was grinding and shining. My pop definitely taught me.
I need someone who knows stuff about mechanics.
Sacred geometry.
Do you want a job?
I definitely do.
Okay, cool.
You know about the sacred geometry?
Yeah, I do.
Less product, more profit equals more profit.
Natural logarithms. Natural logarithms are wild.
I got the rest of the secrets.
That's a good one. Yo, so we need help at our plant.
Okay, where's it located?
TE Maxon Wastewater Treatment Facility.
You got a pen?
No? Yeah? Yeah, I do. I'm gonna sneak right in here.
Okay.
Actually, you can just hand me my bag. Good on you. A little heavy. Thank you.
You definitely have to focus her.
Okay, thank you kindly. Yeah, I need to figure out the right spots to clean up. Because I don't know.
You gotta keep it rolled.
Gotta keep it rolled. There we go. We're back in the saddle. Let's put it like this. Alright, here's what you do.
Sonic boom boom. Not chasing dragons.
Nice.
Definitely not chasing rockets.
That's
It's gonna
good.
pull them satellites and systems so that they can go on a trip and play. Definitely said pay it forward, donate it to Ronald McDonald Children's Research, because them chitlins is definitely going to be who's taking care of us. So we're lucky enough to survive this old age. And tell them to donate it to homeless shelter survival, churches for the homeless, anyone in need, so that we always have a safe place, saving grace. 6161 Humphrey Drive, Olive Branch, Mississippi 38654. The Abbeville Anonymous donated to Kira for her training in STEMing so that she could be a veterinarian tech without having to leave. Because the company you keep is equal to the company you make.
Alright. Dowdell?
Mm-hmm.
Dowdell.
Mm-hmm. You'll love the artwork. I can't wait for you to see it. For the label.
Yeah, cool.
I got freaking 280 freaking units.
You said grinding and welding?
Grinding and shining.
Good.
Definitely have a contact order to be a parts orderer for Mr. Argparse out of Riola, Mississippi. I said, do you need an apprentice? Because I don't know nothing about welding. I know how to do it, but I'm too scared. Definitely had a welding tank fall on my head. And I said,
Yeah, totally.
ah. But he said, hey, I'll come pick you up anywhere you are. I said, that.
Here. Let's
They
tell.
know too.
There you go. That's my email address at work.
All right, let me write you mine down.
Yeah, do it. Here you go. Alright, so what that tells you is how to apply directly. So, like, go to the city website.
Okay.
But telling you to go to the city website is a fuck off answer. Because then, like, what are you going to do? You know what I mean? Like, once you apply, that could go into a black box. What if they don't have a job posting right now?
There's so many phone numbers.
Totally,
I've had.
there are. And so what I've done is I've left you my address, I've
Okay.
signed it, I've put your name on it, such that, like, you can also just, like, if you have a picture of it and you're like, hey, this guy referred me, that's the reference. And I've even listed your experience on there, so it's got everything they would want to see in one spot. So it's my signature, my email address, my name, and the location where we work. So we do need help with people who are mechanically experienced. We've got a culture
I can
problem.
build them. I can build them engines, pull them engines, plug them.
That's what we
engines
need.
up.
So we
I'll
don't
be
have an
down in a
engine
sec.
problem. We have a pump problem. You ever work with pumps? That's what we need.
The
We need-
Ford pumps, because they don't have any dipsticks, so you got to pump it in
Yep.
in order to change the fluid, because we're not taking it back to the factory.
So you're talking about automotive, like, something a pump mounted.
Mechanical?
Yeah. So this is.
I definitely had the contract with Parker Raycord to
Yeah.
run them Juki sewing
So these are very
machines
large pumps.
that
This is the
have the
biggest pumps you've ever
patents
seen.
for
They're
the
huge.
rockets from NASA.
All right, badass.
Um,
We'll get back to our regularly scheduled programming in a moment. Crystal's writing me a document. I love writing documents, honestly. That's the power of the people right there. People have power when they can generate documentation. It's all that matters. Here we got Mikey Gratzer's coming. What I was trying to do is demonstrate. Here we go, watch this. We're ready to go now. Not you. Sorry, I was actually in the middle of recording a coding tutorial, and it's not really working right now, but I'll get back to it later. We're going to stop it because I don't think it's going to... but the purpose of this is to generate a command line interface that allows you to use functions that will allow you to use Python
Second grade
to
time.
send scripts to
Vacuum.
Microsoft Fabric.
all of it, all juice.
The end.